All right, this is a first for me. I've been meaning to make this video for a while, but I just got a second part of what really surprised me. And I just wanted to let you know that YouTube sent me a limited edition 20th birthday partner gift. Now, if you don't know what that means, they have a program called their partner program, and it's sort of like a rewards program for YouTubers. And I don't know at what level you can be a part of it, but one day I received this email and it told me about all these partner perks. And I think that's kind of what it's called, their perks, like a rewards program. And I guess it's just from all of the work that I've done over the years, and to the number of subscribers I have and the views and all of that. And the first thing that it really gave me was, and I don't know how it knew that I'm a big fan of it, but it gave me a coupon for a digital coupon for Chipotle. And it was like, I don't know, $15 or something like that, but Chipotle on us. And I've already redeemed that long ago. And I think it gave me a couple of other rewards. There's a Subway sandwich that I still haven't redeemed yet. But one of the things that came, shortly after all of that happened was something in this box. And I'm going to reveal this a little later, but something even bigger happened, or I should say more recently. It just came I think it was last week. And it totally floored me. I had actually ordered it when I first got my partner program perks. And it basically said you had to do it by a certain deadline. And by the time I got to it, it was already past the deadline. And I didn't even think I was going to get it, because when I say it was months ago, I mean, it was so long ago, I totally forgot that I even asked for this. And what this thing is, and let me read this postcard that I received with this. So this is what it says. This is the Partner Perks program, okay? And then this was the front of the card. And what it says: let's celebrate. Congrats, you've scored a limited edition YouTube 20th birthday t-shirt. Now this is the thing that I thought was cool. I ordered it, never saw it. And I thought, well, they've run out, or I missed the deadline. I was not going to get it. But they said, this is a special thank you from us for being an awesome partner and an important part of our journey. We'd love to see you celebrating in your new tee tag at YouTube Creators, and also the hashtag YouTube Partners Perks in your next video, and we'll check it out. Here's to the next 20 years. So this is their 20th anniversary of being on, having YouTube. So it's been 20 years, and I've been on that since 2012. I think YouTube started in 2008. Is that right? Let's see. Something like that. I mean, maybe it was sooner than, no, it would have to be like 2005. So 2005, YouTube started their journey, and I started in 2012. And, I got into it basically because I used it as a platform to host my videos, to help support my beauty videos, to help me with my sales job. So, I've been doing that for years, and the majority of my content was about, hair care products, professional hair care products. And usually it was about me filming somebody else showing the products or doing education or whatever. It was hardly ever me in front of the camera. And that is all changing. It all changed this past year or the year before, when I started becoming, in front of the camera. And I'm going to be changing yet again here shortly. But let me reveal this shirt that I got. My wife was going to wash it, but I'm like, well, I wanted to show it before it was actually washed. But this is the front of the shirt. Ow! Just ran over my toe. So this is the shirt. I asked for a large or extra large, because I didn't know, how small they were going to run, what kind of quality material and that of that sort. But I don't even know what it's made of really, but it feels like a combination of cotton and other materials. But it feels very high quality. And on the back, look at this. 20 years, baby. 20 years. So I'm really proud of this because there's not many people, I'm sure, that have this shirt. And I would be willing to bet the majority of people probably forgot to order it, or maybe totally bypassed the email, or maybe didn't even get the email saying that they had rewards. And so, you know, the initial benefit was awesome to get Chipotle, and I still have to redeem my Subway, but just getting that means a lot. And I don't know how much I'm going to wear it because I want to preserve it for as long as I can. But I probably will wear it because I'm so proud of, you know, what I've accomplished on YouTube, and just the fact that YouTube has been a great, they've been a great partner in helping me support my business, you know, at no cost to me. So I just think that's an amazing thing. So what do you think is in this? Now, I'll be honest, you know, I was just going to, you know, reveal it, you know, once I opened it, or I mean, you know, not opening the box, but I did open it. I already know what it is, but can you guess what it is? So it's a pretty cool thing. This was the first thing that actually arrived, but let me open the box again. This is what it says as soon as you open the box, and then you pull this out. And that was just the shipping box. So this is actually what came in it. Still don't know what it is. Okay. So again, got another card. This is, it says Lights, Camera, Action. You've scored a limited edition YouTube clapperboard made just for valued partners like you. This one-of-a-kind item is our special thank you for all your hard work and creativity. We'd love to see you use your new clapperboard in your next video. Show us the magic, the bloopers, and everything in between. Well, you've already seen the fact that I ran over my toe. My big toe, as a matter of fact. That's not looking so good. Don't forget to tag at YouTube Creators and hashtag YouTube Partners Perks so we can check it out. So I intend to do that. So that's what I received. And as you can see, the clapperboard, is something that I can write my channel info, the video, the take, and the date. How you like that? Pretty cool, huh? And it also came with, I guess, an erasable marker to go along with it. So if you don't already know, this is my channel, Rich Rose, the #1. Now, in case you don't already know, and I'm going to be making another video here shortly, probably today, my channel is changing. You know, like I said before, I started this channel in the very beginning to just have a place to upload my videos so I can play them for my customers or send a link so that they can watch them later. You know, over the years, you know, I've progressed. I've gotten better and better at my videos. And, you know, the technology's changed. YouTube is not the same today as it was then. It's so much better. It's so much, you know, the platform has just greatly improved. It's easier for a lot of things. Now you can upload videos in no time flat. I mean, you know, YouTube is a great gift. And if you haven't already gotten on board with, you know, doing YouTube videos, just know that this is the #1 platform out there. It's even bigger than TikTok and Instagram and any of the other platforms, Facebook. It's even bigger than Netflix. There's more videos uploaded every day. I want to say it's something like 200 million videos uploaded daily or something. I probably have got the figures wrong, but anyway, it's an unreal amount. And, you know, you would think with that many videos being uploaded, you know, what chance do I have as a new creator in creating a video that somebody's going to want to watch, or that they'll even see my video? Well, let me tell you, YouTube is really, you know, out to help, you know, the new creators And also, you know, the older creators, you know, people that are over 40, over 50, and you know, like myself, I'm over 60, and you know, they want to help us because there is such a great need of creators in our niche, and there's a demand for the videos because people want, you know, real honesty. They want, you know, real videos that are not so heavily edited, and they're looking for videos like this. And I made this basically not that this is going to help anybody, but it's just I just want to, you know, thank YouTube for the fact that, you know, they thought enough to give me partner perks when I don't even pay anything for the platform. Yeah, I make videos and they make money, but I've made money too. And so I'm just highly encouraged that this is going to be the platform of the future. And, you know, if you don't get on board, you're going to miss out. And the sooner you do it, the better, you know, you're going to be off, the better off you're going to be. And, you know, just know you can start. You don't have to know everything about it. Just make a video, upload it, you know, and of course, hopefully it's something that you're interested in. You know, if I can give you, you know, one simple piece of advice, make sure whatever your videos are going to be about, make sure it's something that you really care about, something that you love, because if you make it about stuff that you don't really care about or you're not interested in, you won't be doing it for very long. And I'm pretty confident that if I really put my mind to it, I can make a video every day and have it uploaded, because I don't necessarily have to, you know, do a lot of heavy editing anymore. This is something that's possible now where, you know, people out there, they don't care about all of that, especially in my niche. Now, if somebody is younger and they're looking at this video, they're probably going to say, oh, this guy is just rambling on, you know, get to the point. You know, I've had people comment on my videos like that. Does it bother me? No. You know, what it does, it just gives me like more information about how I'm doing with my videos. Sometimes when people don't say anything, all I can do is assume, are they liking my video or not? So it would really help if you would just comment on my video, give me a like, give me a share, you know, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. And I'm getting ready to put together a document that is going to be really helpful for a lot of people. Ageless Creator Toolkit, how I film professional videos from home. And it's kind of give you a little bit of a rundown, and also my key equipment and software that I'm using to get the job done. So if you're interested in getting that, you know, be on the lookout for that. And you know, I'll have a link in the description below, and I'll also have a QR code on the video itself linking to that, because some people may watch this on TV, and you know, when you're on TV, there's no link in the description. You have to actually use your phone, scan the QR code that's on the screen, and then you can download it. And I'll be sure to keep it on the screen long enough so that you can do that. All right, so I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you got something out of this video. I just want to encourage you, just think about doing YouTube. If you've got, you know, if you're in my age range, maybe you're approaching retirement and you're not sure what you want to do, and you know you don't want to, you know, totally quit doing anything, but maybe you know, you're in a transition from your job. Maybe your job's going away or you're being replaced. Who knows what it is? But just know that there's another opportunity out there that, you know, where you can create another side hustle or move into this full time. All right. So if you're interested in following my journey along that path, because that's where I'm headed, you know, be sure to hit subscribe, hit the like button, and be sure to catch my next video, which will be out soon. And I appreciate each and every one of you, and thanks for watching. Take care.